All right, hello. Welcome back. Today is July 20th. It's a Monday. It's about 10:45 in the morning, and I just want to show you a couple stocks that I traded this morning, and I'm using new software, so you can take a little bit look at that, and I just want to, show you what's what. So DPW, which is a electric vehicle charging company. I guess they build batteries for electric vehicles, and they made an announcement at like right here at 6:30 in the morning. They put out a press release about them making a very advanced battery that can really, give a long charge for electric vehicles. So this generated a lot of excitement. So I was I found this on my own, but I was also alerted about it in the chat room as well. And so what I did is I watched it when it opened, right over here. Let's see, let me move this down a little bit, because there was a lot of activity in pre-market for this one. Sorry, we have to go scroll a little bit more. Bear with me. Okay, so this shady area right here is pre-market. And, it was up high from its previous day, and so at the market open, it was dipping down a bit, but not considerably. However, as you can see right here, I saw that we hit a certain low, and I thought, okay, since this low, I thought this would be a good time to get in. So I got in at what time did I get in? 9:43 in the morning. Back up a little bit. I got in around here because this was actually the first low of the day. Was down in here, and I started buying it in the uptick, and I sold this thing really quickly. I just got like a 2% gain on this. I know you're going to laugh at me, but like literally 2 minutes later, I sold it. I bought it for $4.32 and sold it for $4.42. Around the time I was selling it for $4.42, I think it was right around here. This candle, I don't know if I can let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. This candle right here was just going crazy. It was, it was hitting up at 450, and then it was going all the way down to 429. And so I just put a limit order in at 444 or 442. No, it's like 442, and just went for it because I just, I'm still learning, so I figured, at least get like a 2% profit. I would like to get more. And then it got back up to 458. Now, what it really did was it hit a high of $5.24 at about literally a half hour later. But look down here, it got as low, before that it got as low as $4.03. So I don't know if I could have stomached going down from $4.32 all the way down to $4.03 in hopes that it's going to hit this high. I guess really the real lesson here would have been to maybe have bought in at this moment at 9:54 in the morning, which would have been 10 minutes later, and really got the true low. I thought the true low was more around here. There's really no way of knowing, only in retrospect. So that's how that worked out. And also right here is level 2. I'm still learning how to do that. I was trying to read this, and I'd have to say on a high volume day, it is really difficult to follow it, but it seemed like it was helping me. However, it did hit the high of 524 right up here, but then very fast it went right back down to, where is it right now? It's $4.27. So when it reached this high, it reached this high pretty quickly. This is 10:09 in the morning. This is 10:12 in the morning. And this is 10:14 in the morning. And then now it's struggling. Well, I would say it's struggling. It's just consolidated at $4.28. So that was that play. And then the other play, and I don't know what the lesson there was. I don't know, to be honest with you, I'm really trying to figure out what I could have done. When I saw it go back up, I was like, I should have held, but I know myself. If I had held, $4.03, I would have got out a long time ago. So who knows? HMHC is the other one that I played today. This one is another electrical vehicle company in that sector. I'm trying to remember why this thing was gapping up in pre-market. I really forget what was going on with this thing. I'm so sorry. Anyway, so this one I traded pretty much immediately after the other one. I went back through my scanners and looked at some of these other stocks I was looking at, and I noticed that HMHC was about to hit a low, on its like 5-day, 10-day chart. It was about to hit a low at like in the 230s, and it was recommended to buy in at that point. So let's go back a little bit. It was at 9:54 in the morning. I bought in at $2.36. All right, somewhere in here. And I literally sold it. 4 minutes later, I sold half the position at $2.41. And then the other half, literally 1 minute later, at $2.44. It got up to $2.45, and then it went back down to $2.30. This is after I sold, of course. Now it's, it didn't do what I wanted to do. So this is a good example of, I saw it dip down to its low. I thought, okay, this is a good buying opportunity because it might bounce up 10, 20%. It didn't, and so in this case, playing a conservative was good. I didn't lose any money. I gained 2% on the first half I sold, gained 3% on the second half I sold, and then on the DPW, I got 2% on that. So I made a little bit of money today, without losing anything, and I thought maybe I should quit while I'm ahead and not overtrade. And so I guess the key takeaway here is that the electric vehicle sector is hot right now. Maybe that's something I should continue to study and see what other companies in the penny stock world are doing in that. And we'll see what happens tomorrow. Okay, thanks for listening.